The human brain is an incredible organ, an intricate network of neurons, synapses, and chemical messengers that manage everything from memory to mood. However, just like the rest of the body, the brain changes with age. While some decline is natural, poor lifestyle and diet choices can accelerate cognitive deterioration. Fortunately, natural foods rich in specific nutrients can help repair, reconnect, and rejuvenate neural pathways. How the brain deteriorates over time. As we age, our brains undergo several physiological changes. Neurons shrink and sometimes die. The production of neurotransmitters like dopamine, serotonin, and acetylcholine declines, which affects memory, mood, and motor function. There's also a decrease in cerebral blood flow, which can lead to reduced oxygen and nutrient supply to the brain. A landmark study published in Nature Reviews Neuroscience, Morrison and Baxter 2012, explains that age-related cognitive decline is largely due to synaptic loss and diminished plasticity, the brain's ability to form and reorganize neural connections. This synaptic pruning often leads to forgetfulness, slower processing, and decreased attention span. But here's the good news. The brain remains adaptable well into old age. Neurogenesis, the birth of new neurons, and synaptogenesis, the creation of new synaptic links, are still possible, especially when supported by the right nutrients and lifestyle practices. Reconnecting. Neural links with natural foods. Natural foods are packed with antioxidants, healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals that nourish the brain. These compounds help reduce inflammation, neutralize free radicals, and support the repair and growth of neurons. Certain foods can even trigger the release of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, a protein crucial for long-term cognitive function. Let's explore the top 10 brain-boosting foods, followed by the 5 worst foods that harm brain health. Top 10 natural foods for brain health. 1. Blueberries. Often called brain berries, blueberries are rich in flavonoids, powerful antioxidants that cross the blood-brain barrier and improve memory. They've been shown to delay brain aging and improve communication between neurons. 2. Fatty fish, salmon, mackerel, and sardines are loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, especially DHA, which is essential for maintaining the structure and function of brain cells. Omega-3s also reduce inflammation and may slow cognitive decline. 3. Turmeric. This golden spice contains curcumin, a compound with potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Curcumin boosts BDNF levels and has been linked to improved memory and reduced depression symptoms. 4. Broccoli. High in vitamin K and antioxidants, broccoli supports brain function by strengthening cognitive abilities and fighting oxidative stress. It also contains sulforaphane, which may aid in the detoxification of brain tissue. 5. Pumpkin seeds. These small seeds are packed with zinc, magnesium, copper, and iron, nutrients essential for proper nerve signaling and energy production in the brain. 6. Dark chocolate. High-quality dark chocolate, 70% cocoa or more, contains flavonoids, caffeine, and antioxidants. It boosts mood, increases alertness, and improves blood flow to the brain. 7. Avocados. Avocados are a great source of monounsaturated fats that promote healthy blood flow, lowering blood pressure and reducing the risk of cognitive decline. They also provide folate, which is linked to better brain function. 8. Walnuts. These brain-shaped nuts are rich in DHA and polyphenolic compounds that reduce oxidative stress and inflammation. A 2015 study in the Journal of Nutrition, Health and Aging showed walnut consumption is associated with improved memory in adults. 9. Eggs. Eggs contain choline, a precursor to the neurotransmitter acetylcholine, which is essential for mood and memory regulation. They also provide B vitamins, which help reduce brain shrinkage. 10. Green tea. Green tea contains caffeine and L-theanine, a combination that enhances brain function, alertness, and memory. It also provides antioxidants that protect the brain from aging and degenerative diseases. The 5 worst foods for brain health. While some foods help rebuild neural connections, others actively work against brain health. Here are 5 that are particularly damaging. 1. Sugary drinks, sodas, and sweetened beverages spike blood sugar and insulin levels, which can lead to inflammation and impaired brain function. High sugar intake is also linked to an increased risk of Alzheimer's disease. 2. Refined carbohydrates. White bread, pastries, and processed grains cause rapid blood sugar spikes followed by crashes, leading to brain fog and reduced mental clarity. Over time, they may increase the risk of dementia. 3. Trans fats. Artificial trans fats found in margarine, store-bought pastries, and fried foods are strongly linked to poor memory and reduced brain volume, particularly in older adults. 4. Processed meats. Sausages, bacon, and salami often contain nitrates and preservatives that may damage brain cells and increase oxidative stress, contributing to cognitive decline. 5. Excessive alcohol. While moderate red wine might be beneficial, excessive alcohol damages the hippocampus, responsible for memory and learning, and interferes with neurotransmitter function. Final thoughts. Your brain is not only the control center of your body, but also the essence of your personality, memories, and creativity. While aging and stress are inevitable, much of the brain's decline is preventable through diet. By embracing natural, nutrient-dense foods and avoiding heavily processed or sugar-laden items, you can help your brain stay sharper for longer. The best part? Most of these brain-boosting foods are already in your local grocery store or farmer's market. So next time you plan a meal, think of it as nourishment for your mind, not just your body. Feed your brain the way it deserves, and it will thank you with sharper focus, better memory, and a longer-lasting sense of mental clarity.